Welcome back to the channel, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this channel together. But today we got a bounce back in the market. Today is the fourth day of September we're trading. We all know in September it's seasonal, so the market tends to pull back in times like this. It rally all year long, but once September hits, I don't know what's wrong, but it's just seasonal. The market just tends to pull back with the big techs pulling back. Nasdaq continues to do so, but today we got a rally. It's the fourth day of the month that we're trading. We started trading last week, and for 4 days straight, we got nothing but a red market, straight red market. So again, be careful of your position size and also the money you allows out there in the market to be working every day. But let's get right into it. So since then, market has been pulling back from Black Monday, push on up, got rejected, pull back. We sold off Friday, and now we pushed up just a little bit over 2% push we got from Friday, sold off in the market, but we're still not clear yet until we pass our moving exponential line. If we continues to trade below our moving exponential line, guys, this is not good. But for this week, we're expecting some inflation information. If that come out as good as we're expecting, then we should be at our moving exponential line in the market. As you can see, we're barely trading above. So again, this can be a bull chop. We don't know as yet, but we're watching to see tomorrow. Excuse me. If we trade above, this would be nice to see we trading above our 200-day EMA on the 20-day moving average. But on the 100-day, we're looking to see if we can pass our moving exponential line. Also in the market, Apple, of course, the stock jump in a bounce back from worst week of 2024, which is September. Again, September is known to be that month. And also Apple adding to the bounce is Apple Intelligence. So today Apple launches their iPhone 16 with Apple Intelligence, which is their new AI. So let's see if this is a game changer for Apple, because if they do, then Nasdaq would absorb some of that. So it's all over the news, and it's something that we're watching now. But great to see that our 10-year Treasury yield is trading on the lower side, which is this is something we need to see, guys. And with this continuously being down, it means that when we do get a grateful on and we get a nice bounce back in the market, it's going to be tremendous. Why? 10-year Treasury yield is going down. Inflation is not so bad anymore. And for Wednesday is going to be a great call in the market because we're expecting the CPI report and the PPI core. So what's expected for the CPI of August is 2%. Prior was 2%, and for the core as well is 2%. Prior was 2%. So let's see if August comes in as expected, which is over 2%. And Thursday we're looking to our PPI and core PPI, and they're all within range of 2% expectation. So let's see Wednesday if we break the deal with our 2% expected for our PPI, and also um, on Thursday if we come in with our 2% or even better, and that can be a deal breaker for the market because we don't want to be behind with this inflation data, because Jerome Powell, this is one thing he's looking for where that is concerned. But I want to bring to your attention some stocks that I think is going to break the bank, and we need to get into these stocks. So before we do so, guys, please again like and subscribe to the channel so we can bring forth nothing other than greatness going forward. So let's move over to some of the stocks that I think is a game changer for this upcoming season. Not even season, but again, for this upcoming September. Because I do think some of these stocks are at a discounted level and it's time to buy them. A lot of people are talking about Nvidia, but honestly, I don't know where the stock is going, but it seems like it's trending on the upside. But again, it can be a bull chop, and we don't want to be in that bull trap for now. Meta is still too expensive for me, but these are my three picks going forward. Nothing other than Cava. Cava is a great stock, great company. I went over this stock numerous times, and it's definitely a buy for me. All the sell off that's going on in the market, as you can see, the stock did not pull back tremendously as most of them. So, comparing this stock to a Google, look at the pullback that Google have with the sell off in the market. Google is still in the pullback stage because they're going through some antitrust situation right now, and the stock is still beneath trading level. And also, so let's go right back to Kava and see. You see this trend comparing to Google. So this is a definitely buy for me. Do your due diligence before you invest in any stock, but this is definitely a buy for me. And I can tell you they're going to beat quarters and quarters. So each quarter they're going to keep increasing their revenue. Take Two is the stock that we want to look to from next month. I think at 149 was a buy because now the stock is trading at 156. But again, we're not sure if we're in the stage of a bounce back or we're still in the stage of selling off. And this is nothing other than Warren Buffett. This is my number one stock, my favorite stock. Let me break this down to the T for you because this is a stock that I'm watching. So for 3 years, this stock has been going up, 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 and no return. So I am watching this stock. The trend that I have seen is always find support at our moving exponential line. Pushed up, got rejected, so pulled back, not a sold off, but pulled back and found support, consolidated on our moving exponential line, and look what it did again. Pushed up, got rejected, consolidated, found support, break support a little bit, but again, it came back right here and found support above right here. And what we did, we pushed up again. So my buyback at this stock is anywhere in 430. So I'm watching this stock to see if we comes back down to $430 a share, it's definitely a buy for me. And that's where I want to put most of my portfolio in this stock because I know Warren Buffett, no matter what the stock market is doing, his stock is always doing their own thing because this stock is Warren Buffett is known to be the legend of investment. And one thing he does and continually doing is buy and hold forever. And this is the pattern I want to reinforce and I want to enforce. Buy in great company at great value at a great price. So this is something again that I'm watching. And for the last 5 days, I think, yep, I've been pulling back. It hit highs of $484 a share and now pulled back to 458, no, trading at 459. RSI still have room to pull back. MACD still have room to pull back. Previous pullback, as you can see, oversold, and then pushed up, got overbought a little bit, then trend consolidate, got rejected. So we're in the oversold stage again. But again, I'm waiting to get this stock at low $400. So on 180 day, we can see that again, we find support at our 200-day simple moving average. We found support, pushed up, got rejected, and consolidated. And from here, we run all the way to 484. So again, anywhere in $430, 420 is a good buy. So I'm going to set my alert to see if we break below 457. So if we break below that, my next buying opportunity will be at 423 or somewhere thereabout. But as you can see, the trend follows, and this stock has been doing tremendously well. So again, this is my number one pick for this year, nothing other than Warren Buffett. But other than that, I just want to bring to your attention to pay close attention to the market this week because there's a lot of news out there in regards, and with those news, guys, the market can go anywhere. Is this a bounce back? Are we getting a bounce back? Or we're getting nothing other than a bull trap where the market just pushed up, you buy in, and then it just dip on you. And once that dips comes in, guys, only one stock we want to look into for my day traders is nothing other than SQQ. SQQ has been doing tremendously well with the push up on the sell up. This is what I buy when the market is pulling back with my day trading money that I use to day trade on a daily basis. But until then, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in those comments what you want me to talk about, what stock you want me to break down, and how can I help you to become a better investor. But until then, like and subscribe to the channel and let me know how can I help you.